Alright guys, I have started, it's been a while, I started my, I look wonderful this morning. Anyways, I started my bug journey. I don't know, it's been a while, it's been a long while. And I had my, my YouTube account going, HoneyBe and me. And I just kind of, fell off the grid. I had a lot of things going on. So I don't know, got a wild hair up my ass and decided I was going to start taking things apart. So far, I've watched a lot of videos. Biggest thing is getting my fenders off. I'd like to pull my dash because it's a 73, and I've watched a couple people pull the padded dash off, and I would like to do that. So that's a big challenge. I have watched a couple people pull their seats out, and I cannot get mine out, but I'll keep trying. I know exactly what I need to do. It's just the heavy lifting, I guess. I don't know. I just don't have the strength. Anyways, this morning I bought some PB Blaster, and I have, I can't get this off. This is my front bumper. I took it off a while ago. So I've sprayed that. I have sprayed my wheels. I do not have we used to have a, what do you call that? Yeah, you know what I mean. To get your tires off. I have pulled everything out of the back. I do have those two holes right here and over here. The owner before me pulled all the rot out and then cut those open. So that will be a challenge. I'm not exactly sure how to fix those. So if anybody has any ideas, that's always helpful. I do have this sheet metal over here that I can use for it. So just kind of taking things apart. I do need some new glass here, new regulator, because it's scratching everything on my glass. So she was a daily driver, and I've driven her since I got her. And so I'm just gonna start doing everything and taking it apart. I took my hood off today. I've taken my rack off today. My front lights, or my signal lights. And so my challenge today is getting some things off. I have brand new fenders, front fenders, because the owner before me did some Bondo work, and it's pretty thick. So I just bought new fenders for that. They're up here. And I'd like to get new rear fenders. They're not bad, actually, so I'm not sure. I'm still debating on that one, because they're actually not really bad. I just recently, I had a fuel leak, and it turned out I had no fuel filter in my, I don't know what happened with it, so I had it spraying out one morning when I turned it on. We fixed that pretty quick. So far it's been great. It starts right up. Yeah, there's some things. I don't know if this is bondable or not. I haven't gotten in there yet to see really what's happening there. But other than that, I mean, I don't know. It's one of those things I'm not really, it's all a learning thing for me. So, but I'm getting in here. I'm doing it. If anyone has any suggestions or ideas or anything, I am open to whatever. So everybody have a wonderful day, and I'll try to post these as I'm going. All right, bye.